What are you guys doing to overcome the recruiting challenges at Pegasus?
Yeah, it's global, just so you know. I mean, I have workforce issues. Our French facility, my Seattle facility, my San Diego facility.
I actually wanted to stop there because I think it's important for whatever reason, and it's my mission to turn that frown upside down when it comes to sort of the Connecticut outlook. But I think somehow there's people around here that think like this is a Connecticut problem.
It's not. It's not. It's not. It's worldwide. I hear about it from our folks who run our Croatia facilities. It's worldwide, and I think we have an advantage in Connecticut because we got a head start in solving the problem with our incredible technical high schools that we have here, our technical community college programs that were developed. I think our incredible workforce that we have here. So the way we go about it is a little multifold. First of all, we keep our current employees happy, and by doing that, we get a lot of referrals from our current employees, whether it's family members or people that they went to school with or people that they met. We get a lot of referrals from the folks within our four walls, which is very helpful because they know the quality of the person you're looking for, as well as the skill set, the capability. I'll tell you, and since I came on board in '02, we at Pegasus have definitely transitioned from when I first came on board. It was all about skill set. It was all about skill set, right? And attitude was secondary, I'll say, but aptitude was primary. And we have completely 180'd on that. It's all about attitude now, and we'll train for aptitude if we need to. So if you have some basic welding experience, but you got that drive, you come to work, it's more maybe just about a paycheck. At our new hire orientation, I share a chart with people that talks about levels of engagement, and the highest level is usually that owner when the company's not doing well, they're literally reaching into their pocket to finance the company. When the company's doing well, they obviously get something back in their pocket. And I want every employee to be that way. And in fact, Leggett calls their employees their employee partners because everyone's allowed to buy Leggett stock and through discounts and get that level of engagement. So everyone really is an owner.
Yep.
And they have that level of engagement. So we really look for the attitude side now a lot more than the aptitude side for candidates. And then we train for aptitude. So that's one of the ways we're doing heavy recruiting.